Hey, my name's Tanner, MarineMax Orlando. Today we're going to be doing a video of this walkthrough Grady-White 257 Fisherman. This is a great boat. We just listed it here at MarineMax Orlando. Come on aboard, I'll show you some of the features of this boat. So up here in the bow of this boat, you'll notice we have a beautiful windlass, bow pulpit set up with a really nice safety handrail that goes all the way around. One thing I really like about this boat is this flush, really nice sun pad up here in the bow. Great for lounging out with the family, cruising around. Super clean as well. Along with this nice sheriff seat right here, console seat on the front. And as we move back here, notice the outrigger pulleys for the outriggers on each side. Zoom in here. On the control panel here, you'll notice that this boat only has 92 hours on the motors. This boat's equipped with a 7612 XSV Garmin GPS fish finder, trim tab gauge. Move back here to the stern. One thing I really like about Grady-White, really nice transom fish box, which is a staple of any good Carolina fishing boat. We've got tackle storage under here. Nice rear seating back here. Again, the cushions on this boat are pretty much perfect. Another storage spot back here, or livewell, excuse me. Yeah, pair of twin Yamaha 200s horsepower. This boat. I'm Tanner. Again, this boat's located here at MarineMax Orlando. Give us a call. Thank you.